Welcome to your daily motivation and inspiration with Dan. The one problem that gets in our way, it always gets in our way, and it never fails, and it's practically invisible. So the challenge and the problem that I'm referring to is accountability. And here's the thing about accountability. When we're not accountable to ourselves, then we blame others. We look outside of ourselves and we blame others, and we are now holding them accountable for our limitations and our inhibitions, instead of saying, how am I part of this outcome? Why is this not working out? What can I do to make this better? Because ultimately, we don't have control over others. We only control ourselves. So if we're not accountable, then we're blaming others. If we're blaming others, then we're looking outside of ourselves for the answers. And then when we look outside of ourselves for the answers, then we expect others to provide us with the answers. And then we give away our control. And because we give away our control, and when we give away our control, what happens is we are no longer in charge of our own thinking, because we are now relegating our thoughts to others, and we're expecting them to provide us the answers. It's like a child asking a parent for the responses, or for the right answer, for the right information. And trust me, not only children do it, but adults do as well. They will lean on you and expect you to provide them the answer all the time. That's why you see all sorts of folks asking for others for feedback on Facebook, of all places. I mean, granted, they are your friends and some people you don't even really know, but asking for feedback there means you're not even being accountable to yourself, and you're looking to them to provide you with the answers. And that doesn't work, because the only thing we control, as we know, are our thoughts and our actions. And so we have to take responsibility, take accountability, focus on what we want. I mean, as soon as we lose accountability, as soon as we lose control and we assign accountability to somebody else, then we are giving away our power. We're no longer in control of what's going on, and we completely lose our ability to think through things, because we're now waiting for somebody else, and we'll wait and wait and wait, hoping and waiting that things will change. You know how that works. People lottery ticket buyers, you know what I'm talking about? It's like, when I win the lottery, I'm going to, take care of my parents and buy this for my spouse and do all these great things. That's not taking accountability and responsibility. So that's the biggest problem. It's there, it's lurking, and it's always there, ready to cause a problem in our lives. So unless we are willing, and I'm hoping that you are willing, because you're listening to this, that you're willing to take a little more responsibility, more accountability. And when you see yourself looking outside and expecting others to do things for you and make your life better, stop and think about what I just said here, and think about this video and listen to it again. Because if you are going to focus and if you're going to get what you want, you need to take full responsibility and accountability for your life and start thinking about what you want and talking about it and asking for it, looking for it. That's how you get it. So if you're not watching this video on my YouTube channel, head over there and check it out. I have other videos that will help you oversimplify your life and live a full and happy life. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.